Want to increase your conversions on LeadPages? Adding social proof is a powerful tool that can help boost trust and influence more visitors to take action. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can leverage social proof on LeadPages to see real, measurable improvements in your conversion rates. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply the strategy, and I'll even give you a special offer that you won't want to miss. Next, let's talk about the importance of social proof in the first place. Studies show that when people see that others are using and trusting a product or service, they're far more likely to trust it themselves. This is why adding social proof to your landing pages can make a huge difference. LeadPages has some basic options, but we're going to cover how to make it more impactful. The first thing you can do is add testimonials. LeadPages has a built-in testimonial widget, which is a great way to quickly get started. However, I found that just adding a quote from a customer might not be enough to make a strong impact. The key is to include a photo or a video of the person giving the testimonial. That makes it feel more personal and real, rather than just words on a page. The photo will show potential customers that this testimonial is from an actual person, not just an anonymous quote. You can make this part of your design more engaging and authentic. The next thing is social media proof. If you have a strong social media presence or active followers, incorporating social media stats into your LeadPages landing page can significantly improve your credibility. Display how many people are following you, how many likes or shares you've received, or even your most popular posts. LeadPages allows easy integration with platforms like Instagram or Facebook, so you can connect those numbers directly to your page and show that you're not just a random business, but a trusted entity with a growing community behind you. Another useful element is the use of customer logos or company endorsements. If you work with any well-known brands or have clients that are reputable in your industry, showcasing their logos on your landing page can act as an immediate trust signal. People are more likely to convert when they see that others, especially well-known businesses, have already invested in your product or service. Now, the fourth thing I recommend is case studies. LeadPages doesn't have a direct widget for this, but you can easily embed case studies into your page using their rich text editor. Case studies are incredibly powerful because they show not just a happy customer, but real-world, tangible results. Whether it's increasing sales, improving efficiency, or solving a specific problem, case studies tell a compelling story that resonates with your audience and shows them what's possible. Lastly, I'd recommend using real-time activity notifications. This is one of the more advanced features, but if you have the technical skills or access to a developer, you can integrate tools that show when people are signing up or buying. This real-time proof is incredibly persuasive because it plays on the psychological principle of FOMO, fear of missing out. It shows visitors that others are already taking action, which can push them to do the same. Before we wrap up, let's talk about alternatives to LeadPages for adding social proof. While LeadPages is a solid option, if you're looking for something that takes social proof to the next level with even more customization options, you might want to consider tools like ClickFunnels or Thrive Architect. These platforms give you more control over social proof integrations and have more advanced features, especially when it comes to automated social proof notifications. Plus, they offer extended free trials through our link, so you can test them out and see if they work better for your needs. Now, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you're interested in trying out LeadPages, we've partnered with them to offer an extended free trial through our link. But don't forget to check out the alternatives as well. ClickFunnels and Thrive Architect also offer powerful social proof features that could help you reach your goals. These alternatives are designed with conversions in mind and may be more aligned with your objectives. So, take advantage of those exclusive benefits through our link and start boosting your conversions with the power of social proof.